request first Mr. Charanjit Singh, Joint Secretary, to share his remarks and his thoughts.
Dr. Shri Anand Sinha ji, Secretary, Rural Development, Ved Arya ji, and all the dignitaries for this wonderful program being organized by Ved Arya ji. Good morning and Happy New Year to everybody. It's a really wonderful experience, and to start a week on this note is really wonderful. And I thank Ved Arya ji and his whole team for doing this wonderful work. And I wish all the best to these 7 Buddha Fellows who are passing out today, and they will be receiving certificates also. So I can say from my experience that this journey in rural development is wonderful. It's challenging, no doubt. You face new challenges every day, but it gives such a satisfaction I can't explain. From the day I joined to this day, I can say it has been a wonderful journey. I have thoroughly enjoyed it. And you feel satisfaction. You can make money anywhere. There are so many opportunities to. But at the end of day, as the Maslow's theory also says, that you need self-actualization also. So this provides like anything. So I will say to these 7 Buddha Fellows that you have joined a very wonderful program, and I am sure that you will enjoy your life thoroughly. And in fact, the people in the rural area need you. There is such a shortage of the people that who can work on this aggregation model and value chain model, not only in the farm sector, in the non-farm sector also. There is a big need there, and people are looking towards us. So we need to work on this. And as Rajiv Kapoor ji has already said, that NRLM has got a very good strength all over the country. And we would like to collaborate with you in whatever field we can. And we are already working in the farming clusters, and let's hope that we can do something good for the country. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Charanjit. Thank you.